All right guys, this is the door you saw us open in our showroom side. Now it's here in the shop. We have it laid out here with our template we made on site. Our template shows us exactly the dimensions of the door, where things like our hinges are going, our hardware. And when it comes to the shop, we're able to machine all this before we go to the house. All right, so you see things like our handle hardware. Those are gonna line up exactly with the jamb that's already in place. And again, with this door getting cut to the exact dimensions, we know the height and where the threshold sits. So we can cut the bottom of the door, add our neoprene tube seal that gets routed into the bottom here, so that when we go on site, that threshold's gonna push up nice against that gasket, give a nice weatherproof seal.